Hello, my name's Andrew, and I want to tell you about a Photoshop script that I've been developing that hopefully will save you some time. It'll take any image and format it three separate ways for use on Instagram. First, it'll create a square formatted version of your image with either space on the sides for a vertical image or top and bottom for a horizontal image. Second, it will create a square cropped version of your image. And finally, it will create a 16 by 9 cropped version of your image for use on Instagram stories. It's pretty easy to use, and I hope you'll give it a try. Come, let's check out how to use it. First, I'm going to show you how to install the script. On my GitHub page for the script, you can navigate to releases. We're currently on version 1.1. Click into that, and then I'm going to grab this source code zip. Once that's done downloading, you can open this, and then I'm going to navigate to my scripts folder for Photoshop. So that's C drive, program files, Adobe Photoshop 2021, or whatever version you have installed, presets, and then scripts. And I can just, in the zip folder here, go into this folder, and then just take this script file, the Instagram format.jsx, click and drag it over here. Might get a warning for administrator permissions. Click continue. And with that, it is installed. Now I'm going to show you how to use the script. Let's take an image and open it up in Photoshop. If you try to run the script without an image open, it will not work. Go to File, Scripts, and then Instagram format. That's the name of the file that we just added in that scripts folder. We're going to click it, and it's going to automatically run. And it's finished. Now we can see in that original folder, we have 3 additional images on top of that original image we have. Click into it. We have a square with the pillars on the sides. We've got a square cropped version, and then we have a 16 by 9 for stories cropped version. Now, as you can see, it left these 2 files open for us. Let's say we're just happy with these. If you are, you can just go ahead and close these. Now let's go ahead and try it with an image that maybe those automatic crops aren't to your liking. Let's go and open this image in Photoshop, and we'll run the script again. So File, Scripts, Instagram format. And you can see, if I open these up, created this full square that I'm happy with. This square crop, it's a little off center, and then the 16 by 9 is totally no good. So as you can see, I've left it so it's got those 2 crops open. So we have 2 layers over here. We've got the background layer, and we have the layer named Adjust This Layer. We can just grab our Move tool, and we can move this layer to like something like this, and then we just merge it down, Control E on PC, and then save it, Control S, and close it. Same with this. We can zoom out just a little bit, move it for a square crop, merge it down to the background layer, save it, okay, and then close it. So now if we go back to our folder and we look at what we have here, we've got that same full image, we got the square crop that we like, and then we got with the 16 by 9 crop that we like. Now let me show you how you can make some changes to the script if the end results aren't totally what you want. So if we open up the script file, that Instagram format.jsx, we can see at the top we have some global variables here. These are what we can edit to make some changes to the end results. I have it open in a program called Brackets. Even a basic text editor like Notepad would be more than sufficient for making these changes. So if you wanted to change the background color of that full image, all you need to do is change this number here in this variable BG color. Just need to change the value inside these single quotes to a different hex number. Right now, that FFF, that's white. So let's say we wanted to change it to black, which is 0000000. Okay, we'll save this, and now I'm going to open up another image in Photoshop. We'll go File, Scripts. I'm going to click Browse so that I can load the version that I made changes to. And we're going to load this. We're going to run. And once that's finished, you can see now that this full image now has black bars on the side. And you can go ahead and change that to whatever color you want. Likewise, if we go back to the file here, the output resolution right now is 1,500 pixels by 1,500 pixels for those squares that it's generating. If you want to change that, you just need to change the number here to whatever you'd like. Similarly, when we look at these files, we'll notice it's -full, -square, and -story. If you would like to change how this is formatted, you can change these suffix variable values. Anything in the quotes, you can change to make those display differently. Thanks for checking out my Instagram formatter Photoshop script. Really appreciate it. If you found it useful, let me know. If you encounter any problems along the way, I'd appreciate knowing them, and hopefully I can get those fixed. Also, I've only tested this in versions 2018 and later of Photoshop, so if you're using an earlier version, I cannot confirm that this works. But if you are using it in an earlier version, I'd be really interested to know. Thanks again for checking this out, and have a good one.